Hello and welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today we are making some dessert like a chocolate bites, but it is filled with orange jelly. So this is a unique combination of orange and chocolate. So let's start. Here I have a chocolate bar which I'm going to slice so that I can melt it. So I shaved all the chocolate. Now I'm going to take it out in a bowl and melt it. I'm going to melt it in a microwave. So I'm running the microwave for 30 seconds each time and stirring it in between so that you get a nice smooth chocolate like this. Now I taken a mold like this. You can take any chocolate making mold. Now I'm taking a brush and lining it so that I have a nice thick even lining, because you wanted to make sure that it's nice and thick, otherwise when you try to take it out it will break apart. So I have lined all the spaces here and I'm going to clean up the mess. Just run a knife so that all the extra chocolate is removed and you have nice and clean edge. Now put in the refrigerator to chill. Now in a cup I'm going to pour gelatin mix, and I'm going to prepare this according to the package instruction. So I'm pouring the powder in and then add hot water and stir it so it dissolves completely. Once it's dissolved, add cold water and stir it and bring it to room temperature. Make sure it doesn't solidify. So now it's at room temperature. Now my mold also has set, so I'm just going to pour them in just like this. And you can see I make quite a mess, so I'm just going to clean it up and then refrigerate. Now on top of it I added some sprinkles so that it gives a nice golden foil type of finish. Now let's unmold this and see how it comes out. Wow, it's nice. I didn't expect to come out like this, but it came out really nice. So that's why I wanted to emphasize that you wanted to make sure that the lining is thick enough so that it doesn't break. If it's not thick enough, then this is what happened. So two of the pieces it fell apart like this. So that's why make sure that it has a nice thick lining of chocolate. Kids really love it because they love Jello and chocolate. So this is a great combination of two flavors, and I'm going to show you inside how it looks. And look at this jelly filling. I really love it. So I'm going to serve this and enjoy it. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
So I'm gonna test this orange chocolate Jello. It is soft, Jello, orange, and burst of chocolate. What a combination! So try it today and make sure to hit that like button, also hit that subscribe button, and share it with all of your social media. Enjoy it!